So I have the OnePlus Watch 2, and I'll be showing you how to connect this watch to a Wi-Fi network. Now, obviously, while you are setting up the watch, it automatically connects to your phone's Wi-Fi network. But what if you want to connect to a different Wi-Fi network? What do? So simply go to settings. The easiest way to go to settings is to swipe down and then tap on the settings icon. On the main settings page, you should see Wi-Fi. Tap on that. That opens the Wi-Fi page, and you can see I'm currently connected to this Wi-Fi network because it's the one that's connected to my phone, the one that I used to set up this one. Now, if I want to connect to a different Wi-Fi network, I'll just come here and tap on Add Network, and then I can see all other saved and available Wi-Fi networks. So let me connect to this one, for instance. I'll just tap on it, and then it's going to say network password required. You can either enter on phone, which basically means use your phone to type the Wi-Fi password, or you can just type it straight from the watch. So I'll just choose watch, and then I'll type the password. I have caps lock, so I'll just tap on this one to go caps. Once you type in the correct password, just tap on the check mark, and it should attempt to connect to that Wi-Fi network, as you can see. So it's currently connected, and that is basically how you can connect to a Wi-Fi network on the OnePlus Watch 2. Now, in case you needed your phone to type in the password, so for instance, if you don't want to use the keyboard on the watch because for obvious reasons it's a small keyboard, then let's say you wanted to connect to this one, for instance, and it asks for the password, then you simply have to go to your phone and connect. So let me try that. So you find the network, and it's going to ask you to type in the password. If you want to type on the phone, you just tap on enter on phone. Once you do that, just grab your phone and you should see this, okay? The name of the Wi-Fi network and the option to enter the password and type it using your phone. And then just tap on connect, okay? It's that simple. Once you do that, you'll notice the watch is now connected to that Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.